Hey techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video we are going to see setting up an EC2 instance and CloudWatch alarm. So in order to do this task, first we need to launch EC2 instance, then we need to create a CloudWatch alarm, then we need to alarm action using SNS notification. Let's get to lab session. So for that we record the AWS console. So I'm just going to my AWS console. So already I have a username and password and click on sign. Once you are logged in your console access, go to your EC2 services, type here, or else you can click on here, and else you can write search it here EC2 and click on EC2. So for we don't have any instance up and running. Now we are going to create a one instance. Then we are going to create a CloudWatch. Then notifications. First step, we are going to create a EC2 instance. For that, click instance, and we can see the launch instance option. Click on that. Once you click on launch instance, you can find the name and tags over here, and you come here. The instance name is for execution or EC2 instance. So we can assign name for our instance execution and -EC2 instance. Then select Ubuntu machine, any free tier eligible. Then come to select the key pair or create a new key pair. So I'm going to create a for new key pair. There is a name called same instance, or you can bring it any of your name that is your use. You can bring any name for your wish and create a key pair. Then moving to next step. So leave it as a security group as a default and allow for the SS traffic. Then everything should be default, so no need to change anything, and launch instance. So it may take a few minutes, and this is our instance ID. So we can keep this or copy it somewhere else in future while creating CloudWatch. So it may record for this. So you can copy or go to here, launch instance. Now we can see our instance running, but initial checks is still it is initializing. So it might be for 2/2 completed. So maybe you can wait for some time. Then meanwhile we'll go for next step. Next step that we are going to do the create a CloudWatch alarm. So in order to do the metrics, so for that go to here and click on, or you can search it here, CloudWatch. So you can find here the CloudWatch. Click on CloudWatch. Now you can see alarm. Click on that. and we can see option create alarm, and you can, based on the alarm, we need to bring the metrics. Once you are in the place, so we can keep it for data source as a matrix, and type is a classic, and select matrix and click on EC2 instance. Then you can copy your instance ID, then you can search it over here and you can filter it out. Here it is pre-instant metrics over here. Once you selected, we can see the multiple metrics name, where you see the incidents, again incidents ID. First you need to click on the tick box. Now we can see metrics alarm. Select metrics. Now you can see namespace EC2, metrics, CV utilization, instance ID, instance name, and average. Also you can see period of 5 minutes, and the condition is static, and we need to set it up the greater than utilizing 90%. Then here the conditions, you can see greater and equal. So now you can update it here for 90%, and click on next. So now coming to third steps, we need to set up the SNS topic and search it here. So execution SNS topics available, select on that, then come to here, click on next. Then alarm name that we need to provide. So the alarm name should be, this is the one, and click on next. So now we can see the previous states of the whatever we created, namespace, instance, static, time period, condition, everything will be there here, and you can verify it and create alarm here. So now everything seems to be good, and create alarm. So it says warning, action enable, insufficient data. It's make some time to reflect. So this is what we need to create for the CloudWatch, for the in order to monitor the metrics, everything. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.